I think we will be able to lift it this year. I hope. But the next meeting of the emergency committee is on in a month, I think, because as you know, they meet every 3 months. So it should be early May. There will be a meeting of the emergency committee of COVID. And they will deliberate. So I think without full access to the information that China has, you cannot say this or that. All hypotheses are on the table. That's WHO's position, and that's why we have been asking China to be cooperative on this. If they would do that, then we will know what happened or how it started.
So we have molecular evidence that animals were sold at the Huanan market. We also know that within the samples that tested positive for SARS-CoV-2, there was evidence of DNA from animals. And some of those animals are known to be susceptible to SARS-CoV-2 infection. So these are clues, and these are clues that we use to better understand the potential exposures to humans in terms of how they may have been infected early on in the pandemic. It doesn't give us any concrete answers or answer all of the questions, but it does give us some clues in terms of what the intermediate hosts may be and potentially how important, and we knew the Huanan market was an amplifying event, but we don't know if that was the exact start of this pandemic. Further information that we need, and we have been requesting for years now, is where did those animals come from? Where were they farmed? How did they enter into the market? Was this wild animals, domestic animals? How were they traded? Where did they come from? Where were they tested? Were the individuals who worked in the market, were there serologic tests that were done from people who were working in the market, who were working on the farms? We don't have any of those answers. And so what we're trying to do is work with scientists to learn more information about the earliest cases of COVID-19 that occurred in November, perhaps even earlier than that.